Hindi, gusto ko lang basahin yung message ko. Aside dun sa video ko kanina, binigay sa'yo, gusto ko lang basahin din itong message ko for you. Dear Yam, happy birthday. I always thank God every time I remember you. You're someone special who made difference in my life. You're different from anyone I've ever met before.
May lapit ka na konti, nasa banyo ka na eh.
And yet somehow there's something distinctly familiar about you. Maybe it's in the way your eyes laugh so clearly, or maybe it has something to do with warmth in your heart. Whatever it is, it's a reflection of your beautiful soul. I've never known anyone who understands or cares the way you do. I've been through changes, both good and bad, and I've come to appreciate everything that God has taught me through you. You have a great gift, and that gift is yourself. I'd like to thank you for choosing to share your gift with me. I want you to know that you have made a significant difference in my life, and I really appreciate you. On this very special day, just want to lift up God for giving me the opportunity to share the love that came from Him to a special girl that has been a blessing to me. Yeah, I love you so much. Will you be forever my love? Sumagot.
Hindi ka narinig ang tanong ko.
Ulitin ko, will you be my forever? Or sa madaling salita, will you marry me?
Oo naman.
Bakit yung kamay mo nakaganyan? Ibigay mo naman. Ay, di pa alam mo saan.
First time? Kala daw ata ka.
Kasi kaliwa,
Sige, pwede kahit saan.
Ay!
Kiss naman, kiss naman dyan.
O, kiss naman.